Explosive volcanoes. These are the complexes which on each of 6 of the 7 major continents have been the most consistently explosive volcanoes during the Holocene epoch, translating to since the year 9700 BCE. I am only counting volcanoes with multiple V4 or larger explosive eruptions, translating to approximately 1/10 the size of the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens or larger. Most of these volcanoes you have probably already heard of. These include Mount Pelée on the island of Martinique, which wiped out 29,000 people during a lateral blast in 1902, Sheveluch in Russia, which added another V4 eruption to its tally in 2023, and the consistently explosive glacier-covered Katla volcano in Iceland. Yet, you might have noticed that I left blank the relevant most explosive Holocene volcano in Africa. This might come as a surprise, but the volcano in question does not lie within the East African rift that contains the vast majority of the continent's active volcanoes. Instead, it is situated within Sudan, where very few people may the volcanic field have ever heard of it, despite the future dangers it poses. Since its recent times it has erupted about once every 2,500 years on average. Here, what is known as the Meidobe volcanic field is the most consistently explosive volcano in the Holocene in all of Africa, including its islands, where it covers a vast area spanning 5,000 square kilometers, or essentially the same land area as the U.S. state of Delaware. And, unlike the vast majority of monogenetic volcanic fields around the lava-types planet which produce low-viscosity basaltic lavas which typically do not allow very large explosive eruptions to occur at a high frequency, this vast volcanic field erupts a wide range from phoidite to phonolite and trachyte. However, since the Meidobe volcanic field has been active for approximately 6 million years, its general lava composition has evolved over time, and as a result, during the Holocene epoch it has only erupted trachyandesite and trachyte lavas. These two alkali-rich lava varieties are incredibly viscous, meaning that during eruptions gases and volatile materials are unable to easily escape from them, resulting in them building in pressure underneath growing lava flows until the pressure becomes so great that it breaks through overlying rock, creating an explosive volcanic eruption. This is why more than 4 dozen large volcanic Mare explosion craters, tuff rings, and tuff cones dot the landscape, with these craters measuring up to 2,700 meters wide and 150 meters deep. For reference, while the Meidobe volcanic field is heavily understudied, Holocene eruptions, we know that it erupted at least 6 times during the Holocene epoch at the following